You can kind of get addicted to this. Like, as soon as you start going big, you just want to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Watch yourself with that, guys. Don't get addicted to this stuff. Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I want to show you guys how you can make your hair look thicker with 3 really easy steps that literally take probably less than 5 minutes. So we go from this to this. So before we get into the video, I really just want to say that I am so sorry that I missed the end of Vloganuary. You guys may or may not know that I was posting a video every single day in January, and then as we got to the end, I actually broke my laptop charger, so I drowned it. Yep, I drowned it and it died. So I had to arrange to get a new one. Just meant that I missed the end of Vloganuary. So I'm really sorry about that. It sucks because I really was enjoying it and I really just wanted to make it to the end. But today, it's a new month. Today is the 1st of February. My charger is coming tonight, so I can edit this tonight and I will post it on Friday. So my new uploading schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's when you're gonna have new YouTube videos from me. Also, don't forget to get me on Instagram because I post photos and videos on there all the time. Sometimes there's videos on there that aren't even on my channel. So make sure that you're not missing it. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my uploads Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And now that I have said all of that stuff, let's go ahead and get on with these tips. So I'm going to start off with my hair looking like this. It kind of looks kind of flat. It doesn't look very thick. Like, it looks kind of thin over here. So the first tip is to give yourself a side parting, and it helps if you do it as deep as you feel comfortable with. Here is a middle parting. This is a side parting, but it's kind of shallow. Like, it's not really a deep side parting. You come down here, now that's a hella deep side parting. That's like a side slap. Some people can pull it off. I don't really like doing it in my own hair, so I'm going to do my parting right here. And then this gives me this. It's like a semi-deep parting. It's not that deep, it's just how I like to do my hair. And then that means that you can bring more hair over to this side, which helps you to create the illusion of volume over here. And I do that just using a little comb like this. So then I go and make my parting. And I only take it to the middle. So you don't need to do a parting right to the back of your head or all the way down, because that's just going to start looking a little bit strange. So if you just do it to about here, my ear is right here, if you do it about there, then you should be good. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is add some eyeshadow. So just add some eyeshadow around the parting and around the fronts of your hair. You don't need to do it everywhere because that's just a lot of eyeshadow. Because I've got some kind of patches here. They kind of look like bald patches, but it's really just where the hair is clumping together to form a curl right here. So it leaves some areas exposed and it looks like a bald patch when it's not. Just my hair gets a lot thinner towards the front. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill that in. Think of it like when you fill in your eyebrows. You fill in the sparse areas on your eyebrows, give the illusion that there's more hair there than there actually is. That's all we're doing. It's just we're doing it on our scalp instead. So to do that, I just take a black eyeshadow. You can take whichever colour matches your natural hair colour the best. It's got to be the same colour as your roots. I use this on a big chunky eyeshadow brush. It's actually a blending brush. And I just go ahead and just start filling that in. It's important to leave your parting bare, so don't put any eyeshadow on the actual parting because that's going to look really strange. Everybody knows that your scalp is white, okay? It's going to look really weird if it's any other colour, so you just want to leave this like this and just fill in the areas around it. Voila! The third thing that you're going to want to do is lay your edges down. So for that, I'm using this Pixie Cream Wax from L'Oreal. It's a Stylista range. It's not too thick. It's actually like a cream. It's got this really weird consistency. It's like a really thick cream. It's weird. It works. I like it. So I just go ahead and I put that onto my edges and I use a little toothbrush like this, bring my edges out. Once you've filled in your edges, you can actually go in again with the black eyeshadow and just fill in that whole area. This is also going to help you if you feel like you've got a big forehead. Like, I know that us mixed girls, we worry about our forehead sometimes. So I like to do this just because it makes me look like I've got a smaller forehead. step, you are just going to need to take an afro comb or your fingers and go ahead and pick your hair. So you can do it like this. So you're really just trying to pick out the roots, ruffle up the curls, separate them a bit at the roots so that it gives you more volume. And I find that it helps if you go ahead and tip your head up like this. You can kind of get addicted to this. Like as soon as you start going big, you just want to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Woo! Watch yourself with that, guys. Don't get addicted to this stuff. And there you go. You instantly have got more volume. I also like to just do this throughout the day. I feel like it helps just scrunch the coils up, wave everything about. I try to bring some hair forward, push some hair back, move it around, just see how I like it best. But yeah, this is how I usually do it. And I like it. I love it. I love it. There you have it. Now I just want to explain to you guys, my hair does not naturally have a lot of volume. Like I don't have that big bouncy hair like this because my hair is kind of straight towards the roots. Like my hair just grows out wavy at my roots. I'd say my hair at the roots is kind of maybe like a 3A, maybe even a 2C texture right here at the roots. Like it just does not have that kind of springiness to it that's going to give me a lot of volume, which I'm kind of sad about. Like I wish I had a lot of volume, but it is what it is. You get the hair that you get given, so I have to create the volume myself. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps me out if you do. So please just give me your thumbs. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications because that's pretty much the only way that you're going to see my uploads when I upload, which is going to be Monday, Wednesday and Friday every single week throughout February, and we'll see how that goes and see if I want to keep doing that in March. So make sure that you're around and you don't miss it. Also leave me a comment down below, tell me which videos you want to see next, because 3 videos a week, that's a lot of videos, and sometimes I run out of ideas. So leave me your comments down below. What do you want to see from me? So that is everything that I want to say. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!